That's a Cessna 310. He's got a Cessna on the burnout mat. Oh, I see a tail tap. Oh, I think he's gonna tail tap it. Ooh. I'm scared. The airplane. Oh no. Oh! What? This might be the most impressive burnout I have ever seen.